देख लो ठीक ठाक ना तुम्हें को आराम से ना या चो मिठोई मिठोई Aziz.
Hello guys, let me take you to the kitchen. Our guests are making some food. Let's talk to them. What are they making today? So the restaurant is at first floor. This is where we have to go towards the restaurant, and here they are making food. Let's check. What are you making today? What are you making today?
This is pho, is a traditional noodle in Vietnam, and noodle and beef pho ball.
Wow.
Yeah. We bring the noodle pho from Vietnam.
Wow, Vietnam.
Yeah,
These
yeah.
are the noodles.
Yeah, this is a noodle.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, and this is the ingredient to make pho.
Wow.
Yeah, sauces.
Wow. That's very cool.
Okay.
It
so
must be
please wait.
tasty.
Yeah, please be patient.
Yeah, sure, sure. Why not?
So you have the
Our master chef is cooking food now. What's your name?
mine is my name.
Man, okay. So
And you?
my name is Aziz.
Aziz.
Aziz, yeah.
Aziz. Okay, Aziz.
What's your name?
My name Chi.
Chi. I know Chi is a very nice bike rider also. This is what the boiled beef. This is the soup. Wow. So you are enjoying in Hunza?
Oh, yeah, I think Hunza is a must-go destination.
Wow.
It's very good.
Yeah, thank you.
Today we visited the antique port.
Antique port,
Yeah, yeah,
wow.
and the village is very beautiful and peaceful.
Wow. You see many people sitting on sides of the road.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
old
yeah.
people, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. I can see the group of children, of elders,
Wow.
men and women.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah, they taught each other in the, I think in the ground, in the common ground.
Yeah. They meet together there and they talk.
Yeah, yeah, they taught, they touch each other.
Each other, yeah. That's great. Wow. Chow is a great rider also, bike rider.
Yeah, beef. Boiled beef.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is how boiled beef is done
Boiled beef for 1 hour.
for 1 hour.
Ngon nhỉ? Luộc này phải trong 1 tiếng nhỉ? Em đã có phép làm gì?
For 1 hour. Yeah. And today we are going to have dinner outside here.
Please be patient, okay?
Yeah, I feel hungry. Here we will have our dinner.
Đến giờ buổi chiều thì ra miếng được
Chứ mà không có Đấy là gì gần Chợ từng Mỹ rồi ở Việt Nam. Lâu lâu nhà chồng lại thôi.
Butuim fatani anana bol tingan ki washi mà nào lo but mà rồi ra jim khao bol tingan ko ko mà nào
Em mình có nói ở nhà đấy.